In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a customizable WordPress blog in 2025. That's right, if you're looking to jump into the blogging world or perhaps wanting to give your current blog a contemporary refresh, I'm here to guide you through the process. We'll simplify it in a way that will allow you to get set up in just a few minutes. First, we'll begin by heading over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point where the magic happens. Open up your favorite web browser and type wordpress.com into the address bar. Hit enter and get ready to embark on your blogging journey. Once the page loads, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on Log In. This is your gateway to entering the WordPress ecosystem. After clicking, you'll see several options to log in. If you're like most people who prefer the convenience of centralized logins, click on Continue with Google. This step allows you to effortlessly connect your Google account and get started without the hassle of remembering yet another password. You'll then be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to use. Simply click on the preferred account and you'll be whisked away to your WordPress dashboard. Here you'll find familiar and intuitive tools that make setting up and customizing your blog simple and straightforward. On the dashboard, you'll notice a right panel featuring quick links. Look for an option labeled Write Blog Post. This is where you can start crafting your very first entries. By clicking on it, you enter the blog post editor, which is your creative canvas for writing content. Begin by typing in your blog post title. This is a crucial step to set the tone for what you want to discuss with your readers. Make it engaging and indicative of the theme you're tackling. Once that's done, get familiar with a nifty feature in WordPress, the command menu. By typing the / or a command menu will appear. It's a helpful tool for accessing a variety of functionalities and elements you might want to add to your blog. Next, choose an element to customize your blog further. This is where customization happens according to your preference, from text blocks to images and beyond. You'll be able to add flair and personality to your blog, making it uniquely yours. Finally, after you've shaped your blog post to perfection, it's time to make it public. In the top right corner, you'll see a Publish button. Give it a click, and just like that, your hard work is out there for the world to see. With these 9 simple steps, you've successfully crafted a customizable WordPress blog. You're all set up and ready to share your thoughts, stories, or expertise with the world. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging.